A highly paid and sought-after industry right here in our backyard in South Florida.
That's right. Marine engineering is a specialized field that requires extensive training, but now Broward College is offering high school kids a chance to get an early start learning about the field through a new dual enrollment program.
You have gloves, you have safety glasses. Ready?
Yeah, sure. It doesn't take these students long to realize Alvaro Lopez runs a pretty tight ship.
No, Lord, like this. You put in front, like a man, like this, and look.
What Lopez is doing is introducing these students to the world of marine engineering.
Safety is the first one, but I want at the end of the days that the students think like engineers, not like technicians.
His enthusiasm is evident, passing his knowledge along to these young minds, students enrolled in Broward College's first dual enrollment marine engineering program.
I want to become a marine biologist, and my true occupation is the boat. So I saw an opportunity to learn how to work the boat.
Hey guys, ready?
This particular class is made up of students from South Broward High School.
I think it's really good. I've always learned better hands-on, so for kids like me, it's really good.
It is a very exciting time for us. We're the only school in the state of Florida that has this type of program where the students can go from high school to a degree program in the marine industry.
Sean Galligan is the Associate Dean at Broward College.
Typically in technical programs you have a large number of males versus females, but this time around we ended up with 41% females.
Girls like Yamilet.
A woman can do things that men can do. Just because you're a woman doesn't put limits. You don't have barriers.
There are no barriers in an industry of open waters. These students see the possibilities just by living in South Florida.
Just looking around the city, Fort Lauderdale is like the main hub of all the marine industry, so I feel like once I get this done, I can find a job easily.
So the cool thing is these kids are in public school and they can earn these credits for free. Pretty cool stuff there, but it takes about 2 years for the students to earn an associate's degree in marine engineering, and Alvaro Lopez says that right now the majority of companies in the industry, their starting pay is about $22 to $25 per hour, and that is going up. It can easily go up.